This is my dear friend Kirk Olsen from Hawaii. He wrote this song, I Wanna Hold Your Hand, and we both came to the conclusion that it's too slow. I will show you now in a video how to speed it up without re-recording the video. You need a program which is called Movavi Video Editor Plus. I guess it's around 50 euros. You look for the original video, which is on 120 beats per minute. You drag it down here that you can work on it. Then you can set speed 115%, for example, and you tell the program to keep the original sound. And then you put on export. You click on export and you say it's pretty high, the high quality, and you start it, and the program is converting now the video speed to 15% faster and keeps the original sound. And this is the result, the speed up by 15%.
Oh, I wanna hold your hand. It fits just right, but I want so much more. I'm afraid I'm gonna